Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have admin-level access and the correct role permissions. Without that, you can't edit tiles. Next, list required workflow states, approvers, and triggers so you know what the tile must surface. Once ready, open the Cfms dashboard and go directly to the configuration area. Don't detour to settings you won't use. You'll begin creating a new tile. Pick the workflow configuration template, name it descriptively, and attach the requirements document for reference. You now configure the tile properties. Choose Workflow Configuration as the tile type and set its scope, site-wide or project-specific, because that controls visibility and inheritance. Then define triggers, states, notification rules, and approver roles, making sure each role maps to actual users or groups. Once done, map form fields to workflow variables so data flows correctly between steps. Make incremental saves and validate drop-downs and conditional logic. Save the tile as a draft before moving to testing. You finish by testing every path. Run the primary trigger and each alternate path, then simulate approvals and rejections to confirm state transitions. After tests pass, publish the tile and monitor system logs and notifications for the first 24-48 hours to catch unexpected behavior. If something goes wrong, focus troubleshooting on 3 areas: permissions mismatches, incorrect field mappings, and failed notification configurations. Check logs for validation errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.